Choosing a Linux distribution can be overwhelming, with so many options available. In this video, we'll walk you through some key factors to consider when selecting a Linux distribution in 2023. First, let's start with your hardware. Some Linux distributions require more powerful hardware than others. If you have an older computer or a lower-end machine, you'll want to look for a lightweight distribution that won't bog down your system. Next, consider the installation process. Some Linux distributions are easier to install than others. If you're new to Linux or prefer a more straightforward installation process, look for a distribution with a user-friendly installer. If you're a developer, you'll want to consider a Linux distribution that includes all the tools you need. Look for a distribution that includes popular programming languages and development tools such as Python, Ruby, and Git. If you plan to use your Linux distribution on the go, consider a distribution that has good support for laptops and mobile devices. Some distributions had better battery life management, touchpad support, and Wi-Fi drivers than others. If you have a high-end machine or need to use multiple monitors, look for a distribution that has good support for advanced graphics and display settings. Some distributions offer better support for high DPI displays, multi-monitor setups, and graphics cards than others. If you're a gamer or into virtual reality, look for a distribution that has good support for gaming in VR. Some distributions have better support for gaming hardware and software, as well as for virtual reality headsets and controllers. If you plan to use your Linux distribution for media consumption, look for a distribution with good multimedia support. Some distributions have better support for media codecs, streaming services, and audio and video players than others. If you plan to use your Linux distribution for office work, consider a distribution that includes popular office productivity software, such as LibreOffice or OpenOffice. Some distributions also include other business software, such as accounting, project management, and customer relationship management tools. Finally, if privacy and security are a top concern, look for a distribution that includes strong security features and privacy protections. Some distributions have built-in encryption tools, firewall software, and privacy-enhancing features such as Tor and VPN integration. In this video, we will be taking a look at some of the most popular Linux distributions of 2023. Ubuntu is one of the most popular and well-known Linux distributions. It's based on Debian and is known for its user-friendliness, stability, and security. Ubuntu has a vast community of developers, and it's easy to find support and resources on. Fedora is another popular distribution that is based on Red Hat. It's known for its bleeding-edge software and is a great choice for developers who want the latest tools and features. Fedora has excellent support for containerization and Kubernetes. Debian is one of the oldest and most stable Linux distributions. It's also package compatible with Ubuntu, or better to say, Ubuntu is package compatible. CentOS is a free and open source distribution that's based on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. It's known for its stability and security, making it an excellent choice for servers and enterprise environments. Arch Linux is a distribution for advanced users who want complete control over their system. It's known for its minimalism, speed, and customization options. Arch Linux has a rolling release model, which means you get the latest software. OpenSUSE is a distribution that's known for its stability, security, and professional features. It comes with a range of desktop environments, such as KDE Plasma, GNOME, and XFCE. In conclusion, choosing a Linux distribution in 2023 requires considering your hardware, installation process, development tools, mobile support. Also, advanced graphics, gaming, and VR support. Media consumption, office productivity, and privacy and security features are important.